Welcome to this HTML tutorial on tables and lists. So as before, we've created a new project, so we have a clean sheet and the first thing we do is change the name of the project. So tables and lists. Okay, and we save. In here, we're going to change the title again, as we normally do. We put the same as the project name, so tables and lists. And now on the actual page, we type tables and lists. Just going to get rid of the paragraph, and I'm just going to have an H2 subtitle, and we're going to start with tables. Okay, so a table. Let's start with a table of 2 by 2. So we're going to have the tag table, and then we're going to create a table row, TR. Okay, and inside the table row, we include table data, TD. So just make a little mistake here. So there you are. TD. For example, we're going to have a red house. Red house. I think I misspelled here. Yeah, that's right. Table house. And we're going to close the TD. And we're going to have obviously another one. TD. We're going to have blue house. House. Okay. In the table properties, we can put also border equal 1. So now we can see the border of the actual table. And it's only fair that we put the rest of the houses of the school. So let's have greenhouse. And let's have also TD yellow house. Okay, so that's a table row we have there, and we start another table row. And maybe we can have the points. Just going to make this up, of course. No idea. So table data. And we're going to have 1,523 points for one of the houses, and we'll have TD 1,412 and TD at 1,800 for this house. Oh, greenhouse, look, they're winning. And we can have the yellow house points 2,000. So they won. And that is a table. Tidy up this. Perfect. And now we're just going to go on to lists. So we're going to now add an H2. And we're going to have lists. And lists are very simple items. You can have a ordered list, which is going to have numbers. So, for example, first line of the list would be red house. Actually, let's have the winner, yellow house. There you are, LI. And we're going to have also, then the second one is greenhouse, LI, greenhouse. And we're going to have also the next one, which is red house, LI, red house. And we'll have the final house, which is the blue house. Okay, LI, blue house. Okay, so now we have an ordered list. We could have an unordered list. So what I'm going to do is copy the code. It's going to add a break here, BR. Okay, and that creates a break. And if I do an HR, that is a line. It's going to have a little line there. And I'm going to paste the code, and I'm just going to only change the O into a U, and that makes a bulleted point list. And that is, as you can see here, table code there. Ooh, and we have forgotten, by the way, to close the table. There. So we have the table code from here to here, and then we have an ordered list from here to here, and then we have an unordered list from there to there. And that's tables and lists.